and not do what we just did. We have earpieces.
Cheers.
Good morning, welcome to Traveling with the Elliots. Today is day 2 on our Disney Wish Very Merrytime cruise. Today we are going to Nassau, but we're not there yet, but we have this amazing view. We have the prettiest sunrise this morning, and now we're just gonna go get coffee. We have a tour scheduled for today. It was free, there was no charge on it, and it was just a walking tour that they offered when you got onto the ship. It wasn't something that we booked in advance. We got on the ship, we looked in our app, and we saw it there. So we decided to do that walking tour. And then we do have Palo's brunch today, and then tonight is pirate night. So we're gonna wear our pirate outfits. So stay tuned on our day 2 on the Disney Wish. So we're going to go to Cove Cafe. That is in the very back of the deck back of the ship on deck 13. Hey, a whole elevator to ourselves.
Oh, this one doesn't go to.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so,
we have to do it back here. Yeah.
Yes. So some elevators only go up to 11. So we have to look.
These might be disabled. That's weird.
So this one goes up to 13. So you gotta pay attention and not do what we just did.
We need coffee.
Tyler's tired. Ah, the sun. And Cove Cafe is on this side.
Free ones right here. Oh.
I'm gonna have the cocoa mint latte, please.
Yeah. You like ice or hot?
Ice, please.
Ice one. How about pizza?
I'm gonna do a double cafe latte.
This is
Thank you. You're getting a picture.
There you go.
Ooh. Oh, that's so cute. Tyler got a Mickey waffle, a ham and cheese croissant, bacon, and hash browns. I got hash browns, bacon, a sausage, and some fruit, and granola. Granola with yogurt and fruits. So we just had breakfast at Marceline Market, and now we're heading back to the room to change because it's actually hotter than I expected. And I'm in a Spirit jersey and jeans, so want to change for the tour. So we're going to the very, very front of the ship. How?
This one. I think.
Oh wait, no, Tyler. We go down one, go outside, and then go up.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Ah. All right.
It's not like Carnival that you can go out to the front like that. So
Both sides stay to outside deck.
Yeah. So we go through Senses Spa.
My senses are tingling.
Go.
There's my lighthouse.
Yeah.
That was good timing.
Yeah.
Looks like we're the fourth ship coming in.
Got Utopia and Carnival. I can't read what it is. We've been fortunate enough to come to Nassau a few times already in the past couple of years. So we've already been here about 4 times in the past 2 years.
Maybe more than that, yeah.
Probably more than that. So we're gonna stay on the ship.
That's great out here.
And then Senses Spa is down here.
Senses beer taps. Is it actually beer or just water?
It's water.
Yeah. Yeah, cold water.
And our room is over there somewhere.
Oh, babe, that's the sunshine. That's our honeymoon ship. It's just the baby.
It's just the baby. So right after we got married, literally a few hours later, we hopped on Carnival Sunshine.
Naruto.
So we're at the Enchanted Sword to do.
For the tour?
Yes, but we're here for the tour. We have earpieces for a tour.
Good. Are you excited for the start of your very Merrytime cruise? Yes. Well, thank you so much for joining us bright and early this morning for our Wish tour. Now, you probably have not met me yet. My name is Grace. Can you all say hello, Grace?
Hello, Grace.
Hello there, everyone. Good morning. I'm a part of your...
On this tour, Grace showed us the details on this ship and the stories behind those selections. Here, if you look closely, you'll see the ribbons from Cinderella's mother's dress that she wore before the ball. These light fixtures are different on each deck. Pay close attention because they're tied into Cinderella's story. The details are even down to the carpet. Look closely and you'll find 7 images hidden within the carpet. Pumpkin, the pumpkin, the star. This is the mice. We then stopped at Hook's Barbery. It is a barbery on the ship, but it's also a secret bar. Here you'll find a variety of smoked old fashions. Pay close attention to the shelves in this barbery. You'll find a lot of items connected to Peter Pan and Hook.
Far left shelf, the third shelf up, you're going to be able to see a little pocket watch next to a crocodile figurine. This, of course, represents one of his biggest fears of the one, the only TikTok.
This painting might look like an ordinary painting, but it's actually a painting of the Disney Wish joining the rest of the Disney fleet. And of course we have the bronze statue of Cinderella with Jacques and Gustus hiding underneath from Lucifer. Six gingerbread makes 450 pounds of gingerbread mix. 10 pounds of Rice Krispie treat. Can you eat all that Rice Krispie treat? Do you think those are rock candies? Oh, now I smell it. Ooh. Window washers? We're gonna split the smoked old fashioned. Yeah, it looks like only the wine and beer has more information. We came to our room and we got our pirate bandanas. Woo! They're different. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, did we get 4?
No.
Oh no, he just doesn't fold very neatly.
Yeah, I think these are only for the Wish, though.
Yeah, they're cool.
Now we have new ones to add to our collection. So the tour that we just did was very nice. It's free. It's included. You just have to make a reservation, and it's definitely worth it. I would definitely try to get that done. It's very informative, and just like it goes behind the details of the artwork and everything around the ship. So definitely try to do that. But as you can see, we're all dressed up and we're ready to go to brunch. In order to get to Palo and Lumiere, you have to go through the Rose. The Rose is a Beauty and the Beast themed cocktail lounge.
Cheers.
I put too much lemon.
It's pirate night. Woo! So we're in Nassau, which is pirate night. We're all dressed up. I'm in my pirate outfit. Tyler's in his. And we even have our medallions. But we came back from Palo and it was so good. We definitely recommend going to Palo if you can. Reservations do book up pretty quickly, but if you can, definitely book it for brunch. And then we took a nap and then we got ready. But now it's time for dinner, and tonight we're in Arendelle. So we're dressed up as pirates, going to see Frozen. We always do this.
Had to get you in your pirate costume.
Arendelle, to celebrate the engagement of our most worthy and wonderful Queen Anna of Arendelle. And now, join us in testing the happy couple. Repeat after me. To Queen Anna and Krista.
To Queen Anna and Krista.
There you go. There, good to see you. I see you're saving a spot just for Oaken to join you.
Yes, yes.
Oh, very thoughtful. Save me some meatballs. Maybe I will, yeah?
So weird. That's right.
What did she say?
She said you're a good ice harvester. Or
Oh,
something like that. Yeah.
because you broke it.
Yeah. Don't let it 4 tries. That's good.
Oh, I still didn't even break it in.
Ooh, that's a good size. So you saying you like it, or you want to build a snowman? You like it?
back all the way to guys.
This was basically the end of our night. We ended up not doing the pirate fireworks because we were too tired from eating so much food throughout the day. We hope you enjoyed our video, and please like this video and subscribe for more. See you soon!